Well, good morning, guys. We're up on Durham Downs. Pass a bit of time. Yeah, look what I found in my stock of things. I got a little balsa glider. That's obviously cost me 35 pence in a charity shop at some time. Then I got a slightly bigger one. That's been in the bag so long we can't read what it says on there. No, don't know how much that one cost me. So those are both chuck gliders, just throw them. Then I got this one, £1.49, Oxfam charity shop. It's a rubber band powered one, Spitfire. Now, I think I'll just try the little one for now. I've got less than an hour to kill while I'm waiting for Nanny. So we'll just have a go at this one. I'll put my hat camera on. Very thin balsa. Oh, there's actually instructions there. And it indicates just breaking that. Oh, there is a bit of a line. Yeah, there's a line, cut line there. Rudder, tail, or elevator, and wing. Gosh, I remember making this sort of thing when I was a youngster, many years ago. Oh, just the feel of balsa. And you slide that forwards and backwards to adjust your centre of gravity, and yeah, forwards like that we might get a loop out of it, back we might get a long run out of it, long flight. So we'll go over there and throw it. Fly New Mexico Aviation Division. A little bit of a breeze coming from that direction. I've no doubt I could have put a hook on this and a rubber band to catapult launch it. Well, there we go. We did a loop. I'll throw it down a bit first. That was lucky, next to a pile of dog poo. So, we've got loops. come back a bit, we should go further, or wider loops. Yep. Well, it takes me back an awfully long time. Just trying to think. 50 years, 60 years. What fun. I do actually have a very small stock of balsa in my workroom. Throw it down again. Okay. Go all the way to the back. Still getting quite a loop, even with it shifted right back. Let's try a gentle. And normally, on my hat camera, I have a bunch of blue tack or clay for this sort of occurrence, for adjusting the nose weight. But I haven't today. Seems to fly best with the wings as far forward as possible. So I'm interested in this Fly New Mexico Aviation Division. I wonder where this came from. See if we can catch it this time. Nope. Gust of wind caught it that time. If I don't break it, and I remember, I'll stick it in my scanner and scan it in to get the dimensions. if I throw it away from the wind, it should turn into it. It doesn't make a lot of difference. There is virtually no wind. So one more throw, that should do. That was a good throw. Right, well that will do. That one clearly works. Yeah, what a lovely little find. Oh, I just spotted, it's actually a Guillow. Number 25-1, one wood glider, made in USA. Paul K. Guillow, Wakefield, MA. Well, there you go, a genuine Guillow, which is probably why it flew so well. Thanks for watching. You'll always find more information down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. You might like to subscribe just here. Over here is my latest video on my channel, and down below is a playlist related to what you've just been watching. Thanks again for watching.